you see that? Have the big and the small open, small for the inside.
Okay.
Okay. From the this side, 80%.
Oh, like, oh my.
Oh my gosh.
Not difficult. It's so easy.
It's not difficult.
See?
Okay.
You make a triangle first.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh.
And then see that.
Oh, it's like ice cream cone.
That should be, look at this one, otherwise the rice is very easy coming out.
Okay.
Both, put your hand.
Okay.
Okay. First, we put little bit stick right. Don't too much.
About
Half a spoon, maybe.
Yeah, okay, and then take the stronger first.
Pack it in.
Yeah. And then of course in the face, abalone. Stick to inside. Taste that. Mushroom. Strawberry.
okay.
And then egg. And then the charm is up.
Apricot.
Yeah. Just put little bit first. Again. And then green bean.
Layering it.
Green bean again. And then the last one we put some dry scallop.
So it all goes in.
Yeah. It's up to you, okay?
Like,
The other
ketchup.
one.
Delicious.
Again. Just you say a little bit out. Out.
Oh wow.
Okay.
Understand, right?
Okay.
Last step. From here, close.
Okay.
Close. And then you can turn to the here, two fingers, one finger, make a triangle.
Wow.
So you see? See?
Oh, we're doomed.
So we can see the dumpling face is already coming.
Right.
It's
Okay.
And then after. This side. Should be good.
Can't even provide commentary. I'm just trying to focus. And
Yeah,
I'm
that's
so hard. I can't.
problem.
I can't.
I want to get this right, so.
So we're wrapping it like a present.
Yeah.
Like a cross. A Christmas cross.
Applesauce.
Yeah.
Different from
Okay.
the video. That's why I'm confused.
Oh wait, did you do some video research?
Ta-da!
It's great. Absolutely great. Ian, before we start making the sticky rice dumplings, I think you probably have something to say about the cultural.
Oh, thank you, Director, for that totally unprompted question that you were asking me. No, well, it's interesting just because this whole festival and things like the zongzi and these traditions were actually inscribed into UNESCO's list of intangible cultural heritage back in 2009. So what that does is it's basically a register of world heritages from all over the planet. This is China's first festival to be on this list. So hopefully there's well, I don't know, we're off script. Hopefully, and even more festivals will be included, and this is a way people can learn more about it and a way to maintain these traditions for years and years and generations to come. So we're learning about it now, and we're hoping that you guys can learn some things too.
Thank you so much. Thanks, Chef. Thank you. And now,
I don't know if that was...
I would like to invite all our contestants today to make your own version of sticky rice dumplings. Okay? You're just gonna be judged by the shape of it today due to time limit. So
By the shape.
just make one, okay? In just 3, 2, 1.
Well, there's not really a time limit for this one.
There's no time limit,
Yeah, I've got
but please
the-
don't
Don't
take
worry,
credit.
I think everyone's making their own.
Oh, we are?
Yeah. All right, director. We won't dilly-dally.
Oh, boy.
All right, here we go.
Okay.
Hey, I think we're
Wait.
I don't know.
But we can
help
this is
each
just like
other.
a brief bit.
I hope so.
Yeah, no.
I hope
it's
we can
the
help each
central
other.
stem.
No, I know. Does it go out like this?
Okay. Like so.
I'm gonna go with this.
But then how do you put on the outside? I think it'll fold easier.
That's
That's the question. I think it was a fold over like so.
Perfect.
Right?
Okay, now what?
Now we have to make a triangle, right?
Wait, are we allowed to have that?
I think this is not as much of a competition as the other stuff. Because we're all making our own. Do you guys remember how to do
I remember the base was a triangle.
No, wait, because I did it. Wait, this is meant to be.
Oh, I got it.
Yeah. Oh, good.
Wow.
We got lucky.
Pay attention.
I wasn't looking at you. What
Oh, wait, I did it too.
Like this, and then go like this.
Is that right? Have you got it like this?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
You fold it like this.
Fold it up and down
Again.
Okay.
Yeah. And then?
No, just wait. Fold that one, just this one first, and then fold that one. And
No,
then you
same
have
way,
it like
same
that.
way. Like this,
Okay, but
and then
like so?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I see.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going in. I'm going in
But the
for the
triangle's
race.
too small.
Yeah.
I don't feel like this is very stable.
Oh, mine is so stable. Look.
How is why slapping him out here? What's going on?
I made like a little small triangle.
Wait, yeah, how did you actually...
I'm going in.
I'm at a loss.
I can't do this.
See, you want to end up like this.
Okay, okay, wait, so I need to
Go farther in.
Oh, I need to go like more in.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, I see.
that's because
Fold the same and then twice.
Yeah.
This.
Oh.
Yeah. I got it. It's small.
Fold it twice. There you go.
Oh, okay.
And it's nice and it's
Yeah.
But I've got a hole in the bottom of it.
Pull it tighter.
Oh my god.
This comes from years of folding origami. Origami birds.
I've got it now.
You've had
There we
training.
go.
I have had training.
It's not fair.
Qualified.
Okay. I've got a smaller one, but I've got the
That's what's like.
Origami?
triangle.
You didn't do origami?
You know what? This is it. I still got...
Perfect. Oh, well, that's not
You guys, I can't put everything in mine because
I don't know, why is this
it's much
happening?
smaller, but
Why can I get rid of this?
No, I mean, we all have it.
Okay, right, you know what? I'm gonna go with it. I'm just gonna...
Alright.
I think the other one is too big.
Yeah. Well, you have to make your guy extra big.
I'm just gonna hope for the best.
That's all we can do, Charlie. All we can do.
You got it.
Yeah, I got it.
I do not.
You want a spoon?
I do need a spoon.
Let me grab rice because I don't. The problem I don't have a lot.
Base. Yeah, you need a good base.
Well, we're going with it. Just doing our best here. I don't know how to finish this. I'm not finish
You really are.
smashing.
Smashing.
I think the rice keeps everything together.
Oh yeah.
It's like the glue.
Yeah, true. Okay, I'm not really having a lot of like flavoring right now.
Yeah, it's my situation as well.
Why are all the spoons?
I have no idea. Ta-da!
We each got our own spoons because everybody needs rice. I think I could do one more layer, but I'm not sure what I want to put in there. Maybe these boys.
Not really.
The dry boys.
Oh wait, there. Okay.
Alright. We got some of the dry sea pounds.
Do you have any?
We don't have any left. And
Wait.
yeah, I don't know if you want to go even further. I'm pushing it with this. Right, that's what I'm doing, but I just wondered, I worry that I've overfilled.
Well.
I don't think we need to have everything. I think it's up to you what ingredients you
Is
want.
anyone gonna eat this?
I mean, well, the rice takes about an hour to cook, so.
This is not cooked?
I mean, but it needs to be cooked more. Because you can't eat the raw ingredients.
Okay, now what?
Yeah, I don't know what to do. I'm trying to get along.
Also, aren't you supposed to end up with two flappy things?
Yeah, I mean, I have kind of this one and then this one. Like, I didn't do a good job, obviously.
I don't really know what
I have a triangle, but I don't know how to finish it.
Okay, I'm gonna. Oh, that's right. You fold it over here, right? Like you fold it over here,
Oh my god.
and you use the two fingers and the one finger to push in, I think.
Oh, nice.
And
hard to tell. Like so. I think he might be a bit overstuffed there. Here we go. So you put both.
I don't think this is right, but I'm gonna roll with it and do my best.
Do we hold both flaps like this?
I don't know.
Let's go with both.
I haven't done it for like.
Mine looks too flat.
Oh wait,
I think yours is good.
And let's fill it up a little bit more.
It's like a pyramid. So mine's flat.
We're not gonna get it perfect the first time. I think we're gonna do the best we can and just call it like.
I'm just gonna do this.
Coming out.
We're very much in school, in training when it comes to this part.
Oh, mine's so flat. I need to do a pyramid.
Charlie, looks like your end product will be like a porridge instead of
Like a what? Sorry?
like a porridge. Like after you boil it in the water.
He doesn't think it's going to hold up. He doesn't like your chances.
I am offended.
I think mine's not going to wouldn't be real good cooked.
Oh my goodness.
It's really just I just improvised and tried to wrap it like I tried to do it like folding flags.
This is what I'm doing too.
Yeah, me
I
too.
have no idea what's happening now. I'm just trying to stop everything from spilling out. To be honest.
Ta-da!
Not.
Congratulations, we have our first one done.
But
Hey,
it's
you know
not,
what?
it's not a pyramid though. It's not a pyramid. It's just,
Don't let the perfect be the enemy of the good, Kelly.
I can't like sit it like.
Yeah, I mean neither can I. Oh wait, I can. Apparently.
Hey, you know
But
what?
I can't do it like this. It'll fall over.
Mine's
So.
just like a flat one.
Right.
Oh, that one looks pretty good. This looks good.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean it's a triangle. I don't know if it's a great triangle.
Now, I'm gonna invite our master chef back to check on your work.
Oh.
So, chef, what do you think so far?
Up to such a good
It's
start.
really good.
He hesitated.
You have how many minutes? 10 minutes? 10 minutes again?
There's no
I
limit
think
on this one.
it feels like already half an hour.
Okay.
So,
Yes.
This guy should be together.
I like to see you come up here.
See, mine was like
Mysterious
this.
voice in the
Not
background.
the minute look at
Like to see
the
you
bunny
try.
or butterfly. Like this one should be strict.
Oh, okay. I did the same thing.
You see that?
They look so nice with the. Oh.
Yeah, the lip is an easy
Yeah, that makes
thing.
more sense.
And then,
Thanks, guys. We folded it wrong to begin with. Like,
Yeah,
right.
it should have been like.
Should be straight.
Wait,
Yeah,
actually,
it should be
I think
straight.
and then, how many?
No.
Two hands here.
It's clearly like a monstrosity.
Yes, that's what makes the see like when I couldn't get the
And then,
shape. Oh.
So we have to keep the leaves together better.
so you can see the
yeah,
triangle is
Because it-
look like the diamond, not the triangle.
That's applause.
thank you, judges.
But
Thank
anyway,
you,
this
chef.
one also very good. You
a
created
different-
a
Okay,
new
so
style.
chef, you have actually
frisbee. I made a
two
frisbee.
stickers.
Which one?
You have two
did it.
stickers that you can give to our contestants today.
Yeah.
So after
the rest of
examining and evaluating their work,
Wow.
yeah.
Oh.
Can you actually show each of the zongzi
Sure.
you made to the chef, so the chef can evaluate your work? Yeah.
Lie about mine.
I think it's
Mine's a
okay.
frisbee.
Okay.
It's a frisbee.
This one I have some comment, okay? The water is very easy to bring in. Anyways, it's not horrible.
Okay. So chef,
Wow.
Okay.
It's not good. It's not good.
Oh, that's good. Okay.
Really?
And it's, you can cover anything.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
sealed at least.
but chef, you only have two
If you say
stickers.
so. If you say
Chef,
so.
And then
you have two stickers.
Wow, now this one I should. Okay. Sure, professional.
Undisputed.
Professional.
You can see, look like the diamond before I told you, okay? Look like only triangle. This one triangle, and then look like the diamond went.
Yeah,
okay, the
yeah.
face is really good, okay?
Alright.
She will give my ticket.
Okay, I love how I
Give
didn't
you
even get like considered.
Give you one first,
So
okay?
bad. Then it's like, nope.
I could qualify.
Oh, well, okay, at
Ooh.
least you acknowledge.
Okay, both gentlemen first.
Ooh.
The lady this one, okay. But
Thank you.
I don't have any ticket. Sorry.
Thank you, chef. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. And now, would you please proceed to the front stage? And now I'm gonna invite Mr. Batian back to the stage because he is gonna be announcing who will be the final winner today. At the same time, Mr. Batian also prepared a little surprise for us. So.
Yes, well, it's actually a big surprise. At the St. Regis, we have a tradition. Just allow me quickly.
More practice.
I can pop the microphone.
2 days picture.
People. Sorry.
No, it's open heart surgery.
Thank you. Well, basically, the St. Regis is very famous for its evening ritual. At the evening ritual, basically, the St. Regis is celebrating the day. No matter if it was a good day or it was not such a good day. Yeah, we always, in the evening, sit together and have a glass of champagne. However, the glass of champagne we have in a very traditional way.
Absolutely.
I'm a bit nervous. Is anyone else a bit scared? Gloves are required. I'm not entirely.
Oh, not just gloves.
Should we also get gloves?
I don't know.
Protective.
I trust him. I trust him too. Okay, maybe.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
Oh my god, I'm scared.
Wait, step back.
I'm
No,
genuinely
you don't have to be.
afraid.
You don't have to be. So basically, this tradition was taken over from John Jacob Astor V and his wife once they opened the first St. Regis in New York. And every evening, together with friends, family, colleagues, they are celebrating the evening ritual by opening the traditional way, like Napoleon has done it, yeah, with his comrades, the bottle of champagne, and then enjoy the champagne. So I will demonstrate it for you now as well.
Okay.
Okay.
Should we
Thank
stand
you.
back?
No.
Okay. Okay.
Are we ready? Don't worry. Alright.
Oh my god, I'm scared.
No need to be scared. That's life. Just a moment. Yeah, just a second. The first one. We'll get another one.
Okay. So how are we determining the winner, Mr.
Stickers.
Director?
Okay.
Oh,
alright, okay.
Which is quite obvious. So maybe let's take a look at the stickers.
Is there an individual winner and a team?
Team
win,
Team
or is it
Dragon
just
and
purely
Team
a
Boat.
team
Team
thing?
Dragon.
I mean, I don't really know because either way I'm out. So I don't know why. I don't know why I'm trying to encourage like multiple formats of winning because I can't in any of them.
Look, we haven't had a formal announcement yet. It's anybody's game.
Okay. Sure. I love your modesty. Right.
While we patiently
It's fun to play
waiting
the
for
heel.
the champagne to be delivered, so
I have 8.
4, 3, 4, 5. We gave it a good run.
We tried. I think we did the best.
14 to 8.
And that is all anyone can ever do.
Look, it was a fair competition.
Was it? No, it wasn't. I'm convinced it was rigged.
Oh, now we're being sore, are we?
I think so.
Okay.
Floating, are we?
Extending the hand of friendship to my colleague and my new friend Chris, in the spirit of sportsmanship and good feelings, and to my teammates, who we couldn't have won without each other.
Was everyone glad for the weekend?
I mean, well, look. The longer we wait, the better it's going to be when it happens.
The suspense.
Yeah. The anticipation. Probably shouldn't do this. All right.
Okay, yeah.
Here we go. Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god.
Hey! Yeah, that's what you do. But it breaks off in such a way.
Thank you, Mr. Bastian. And now, please, everyone, we shall raise our glasses
Equipment is fine. The camera's fine.
and make a toast on this very special occasion of China's
Dragon boat.
cultural heritage, Dragon Boat Festival.
Dragon boat. Woo!
Classic Chinese drink.
Happy Dragon Boat Festival, everyone.
Dragon Boat Festival to everybody. Everybody.
Cheers.
Thanks again to our judges.
Judges and our guests, we can join
And our guests.
the
Your mysterious director voice.
The staff
Yes.
of the St. Regis.
together.
our staff,
Everyone,
everybody.
please.
Well done.
Thank you. Cheers. Cheers.
Again.
Cheers.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Happy. Is that what you said? Happy at the thing.
Thank you. Thanks, everyone. And here, on behalf of China Daily and also St. Regis Beijing, we want to thank you for watching and hope you enjoy
Thank you so
the
much.
Dragon Boat Festival. Thank you so
Have a
much.
happy Dragon Boat Festival.
Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching.